Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today I'm going to be opening a second one of these hobby boxes of 2020 Topps Heritage High Number baseball cards. Now, I did go check out my other videos. I opened up my first box of this and I found that the card quality was very poor. And this box is actually from a completely different seller. This is from Cards Infinity. Completely different case, all that stuff. I'm hoping that the one I got was just a bad run, like a bad case or something. So let's see what these look like, and hoping we can hit a nice hit out of here. Let's see what we get. Looks like we got one of the buybacks here on the box topper. 50th anniversary Topps, one original 1971 card inside. There it is. Got the stamp on it. Mark Bellinger, Orioles. Pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve it, even though it's kind of beat up, but it's cool to get a buyback. Alright, here's what the packs look like. I'm not sure if the packs looked like that back then, because this is before my time as far as collecting cards. There are the pack odds. Alright. Ooh, you see that? This is a hot box. That's fantastic. I was really hoping to hit one. I think they're like one hot box in a case. And every pack is going to have one of these purple refractors. So let's take a look here. And yeah, these cards look much nicer. Ronnie Rodriguez, Matt Wessler, Ben Zobrist, and Kenta Maeda for the purple chrome card. That's awesome. So happy I got a hot box. Got World Series highlights, Shun Yamaguchi, Brian Dozier. This one has some little scratches on the surface up there too. So they're not. It's going to be tough to get mint cards out of this. Luis Sessa and Austin Pruitt. Thankfully, I have some sleeves right here. Hopefully, we get some rookies with our hot box cards, like maybe Luis Robert. That'd be nice. See, I think there's 18 packs in these. 24 packs, so we're going to get quite a few of the purples. Alright, so Junior Guerra, Yangervis Solarte, Kyle Gibson, Wilmer Defoe, Dylan Betances for the purple. Cameron Maben, Maikel Franco. Man, yeah, definitely see some lines on there from like rollers and stuff. Manuel Margot, and here's a rookie, Shogo Akiyama, but yeah. I didn't do a very good job with the quality on this set, unfortunately. But it is going to be a hard, with the black border, it's going to be tough to have mint cards in the first place. I'm going to keep an eye out for the short prints here. Short prints are the cards that are numbered over 700. Hey, we did get one. Wilmer Defoe was a short print. Okay. I'm going to save my sleeves for the top box cards since they have a refractor finish on them. Luis Torrens, Sheldon Noisy, rookie card, Howie Kendrick, and Chris Davis. Mr. Chris Davis. Getting paid a lot of money. Phillies Friends, Josh Donaldson, Tim Lopes, rookie, Garrett Cole, Brock Holt. And I'm liking how these purple hot box refractors are looking, because they've been really nice centering on those. So they did a good job with these. Of course, it's a different type of card too. Miguel Andujar, Rich Hill, Kelvin Herrera, Marcell Ozuna, Rich Hill, refractor, Austin Allen, Carter Kieboom, and Jesus Tinoco. Phillies Friends card. Backwards on the back. Well, there's a short print. Marcell Ozuna is a short print. Oops. So, and Corey Kluber, Yandy Diaz, Mookie Betts, Chad Wallach, rookie. That's weird. Rocco Baladelli, award winners, upside down card. I don't know why that's upside down. Jose Rodriguez, rookie. There's a rookie. Franklin Barreto and Steve Cishek. I don't think those award winners are anything extra special. I don't know if you can get autographs in hot boxes. Not sure. Justin Smoke, Johan Camargo, Kian Wong, rookie. And I am noticing the printing on this box is way nicer. How crisp that rookie card symbol is. On the other box, looked like the printing was offset a little bit. Jason Castro, Marcell Ozuna. That was a short print. But it's the hot box version. David Price, Yoenis Cespedes, Daniel Hudson, Josh Phegley. Yeah, very fun to open a hot box at Heritage. Jake Fraley, Kevin Kramer, Kyle Higashioka, Alec Mills, rookie, Maikel Franco, Jalen Beeks, Jonathan Hernandez, rookie, Tyler Duffy, Tom Eshelman, rookie, and Jose Martinez. So we got Tyrone Taylor, rookie, Carl Edwards Jr., Reggie McClain, rookie, Jason Kipnis. There's a rookie, Kwang Hyun Kim, Gavin Lux, rookie, Roman Quinn, Drew Steckenrider, and Domingo Santana. Alright, before the stack gets too big, go through and see if we got any more short prints. Alec Mills. There we go. So, put that in the short print pile. We still should get a hit, even though this is a hot box. Corey Dickerson, Aaron Bummer, Didi Gregorius, Trey Wingeter, Nestor Cortez. That's a short print. Danny Mendick, and that's a rookie card. Austin Dean, Kenta Maeda, Andrew Kashner. So at least we're hitting a few rookies in the hot box. Jose Iglesias, Wilmer Flores, Jonathan Scope, Tyler Clippard. There's another upside down award winner. Jordan Alvarez must have won Rookie of the Year. Yep, Rookie of the Year. Mookie Betts, Refractor. That's a nice looking card. Tim LaCastro, Nomar Mazara, Dallas Keuchel, John Birdie. Hoping Jordan can stay healthy this year and see what he does in a full season. Even though I'm not a big Astros supporter, I think Jordan is really good. An amazing young hitter. Pedro Strop, Jack Mayfield, rookie. Matt Joyce, Jake Fraley, rookie. Ooh, there's a nice Luis Robert, and that one actually looks really good. No roller marks on it. And the centering's pretty good, so that's a pretty cool one there. Jeff Mathis, Yasiel Puig, Patrick Wisdom, Dan Mendick, rookie. So I'm going to sleeve this Luis Robert, just because these borders are so touchy. Don't want to get any wear on them. Nick Castellanos, Alex Wood, Edwin Encarnacion, Ryan Cordell, Brock Holt, Justin Verlander, Tommy Kalme, Randy Dobnak rookie, and Julio Teheran. Homer Bailey, Alex Avila, Kevin Pillar, Corey Kluber, the pitcher of 1 inning for the Rangers last year, Yordan Alvarez, rookie performer. I'll put him in the sleeve too. That card looks pretty good. So the rookie performers seem like they're not getting much damage. Tanner Rourke, Cy Sneed, rookie, and Eric Sogard. So hitting some nice inserts. And of course, always exciting to get the Hot Box purple parallels. It'd be really cool if we could get a Luis Robert purple card. Hernan Perez, Salvador Perez, Matt Strom, Rick Porcello. Let's play 258, Ernie Banks card. Ian Jin Ryu, Emmanuel Clase, rookie, Michael Kopech, Peter Fairbanks. There's 2 rookie cards of former Rangers in there that both end up being good players that we traded away. I don't mind the Peter Fairbanks trade, but we really didn't get anything out of Clase because Corey Kluber, that didn't work out. Jared Dyson, Tyler Mahle, Steven Strasburg, Zach Davies. There's Mike Schilt, Emilio Pagan, Jeremy Jeffress, Eric Thames, Steven Souza Jr. Adolis Garcia, CJ Cron, Brad Week, Kyle Garlick, rookie, Jalen Davis. I'm going to sleeve those after, unless I get a rookie. Rangel Ravelo, rookie, Tommy Hunter, Brian Goodwin, Yohander Mendez, Sergio Romo. Yoshi Tsutsugo, Lane Thomas, Emilio Pagan, Adrian Hauser. Oh, we got a regular chrome, Garrett Cole. That's numbered out of 999. And Sheldon Noyce, rookie. So I'll sleeve both those. Garrett Hampson, Chad Green, and Michael Taylor. And a quick look for short prints. Kyle Garlick, rookie. That is a short print. Interesting that some of the rookies are short prints. If those guys end up going on to have some success later on, those will be some nice cards to get. Alright, next pack. Eric Lauer, Chris Davinsky, Brian O'Grady, rookie, Jeff Hoffman, Julio Teheran. World Series highlights, Luis Rengifo, Jake Diekman, David Bednar. We got Colin McHugh, Joey Wendell, David Price, Jake Cave, Delino DeShields, Tommy Malone, Kevin Ginkel, rookie, DJ Stewart. Michael Waka, Jake Marisnik, Jarrell Cotton, Martin Maldonado, Hunter Pence, Rocco Baldelli, Carlos Gonzalez, Dustin Garneau, Robbie Grossman. Jake Cave, that's a short print. All right, 4 packs left. Still haven't had a hit. Jalen Davis, rookie. Omar Narvaez. Francisco Cervelli. Travis D'Arnaud. There's a rookie. Jonathan Daza of the Rockies. Jordan Alvarez. We got this again. Award winners. Franchi Cordero. Garrett Stubbs, rookie. Jonathan Lucroy. Let's see the rookie. Purple. One of these must have a hit. There it is. So we didn't get an autograph. That's definitely a relic card. So we got Robert Duggar, rookie. Felix Hernandez. Jacoby Jones. Lance McCullers. Albert Almora jersey card. Just barely a little bit of a pinstripe there for Cubs. Excuse me. Freddie Galvis. Lamont Wade Jr. Kwang Hung Kim. Oh, Luis Robert. And that one's pretty decent. That little corner is a little... it's alright. It's not dinged. There, got it safely in a sleeve. Hey, centering's not bad on it either. Yeah, definitely a ding corner down there. Topps is just killing me, man. This set. Tyler Beede, Kyle Farmer, Dylan Betances, Jimmy Nelson, Sterling Marte, Jose Abreu, Miles Straw, Delino DeShields, Brad Miller, and last pack. One more chance at a hot box rookie. Cole Calhoun, Yaimer Candelario, Anthony Rendon, Wade Davis. There's a rookie. Shogo Akiyama. Seth Mejias Breen, Hunter Pence, Ryan McBroom, and Jose Rodriguez rookie. Let's check for some short prints. Sterling Marte was a short print. And Wade Davis. And let me sleeve this Shogo. And we'll sleeve this. Okay, so we got, let me just count how many short prints we got. 1, 2, we got a Luis Robert rookie. 3, 4, we got 2 nice rookie performers there. 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 short prints in our box. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.